Hello and welcome to another video of Wisefuss. Today, we embark on an exciting artistic adventure as we explore Midjourney's latest version 5.2. In this video, I have embarked on a fascinating journey where I randomly selected artists and combined their names with words like mountain landscape, portrait, or buildings. The result? Unique prompts that yielded strikingly different artistic styles. Prepare to be amazed as we delve into the incredible world of creativity and innovation. Before we dive in, let's set the stage. We'll be using an aspect ratio of 9:16, a choice that often yields stunning visual results. It also allows us to present three grids side by side for maximum impact. You might notice the inclusion of a seed 777. It is merely a random number used for comparison purposes and can be ignored if you wish to experiment with your own creations. Now, let's address the magic of artist name. We have carefully curated this list to demonstrate how a single name can unlock endless creative possibilities. While some may argue that using artist name is controversial, our goal is not to replicate their work. Instead, we aim to showcase how their influence can inspire unique styles and visions. Without further ado, let's embark on our artistic journey through these artists and their transformative names. Get ready to witness the incredible power of creativity. First up, Arne Jacobson, a Danish architect and furniture designer, introduces intriguing shapes, especially in landscapes and architecture. Agostino Di Duccio, an early Renaissance Italian sculptor, watch as his name takes us on a Renaissance-inspired adventure. Next, we have Alberto Arnoldi, a 14th century Italian sculptor and artist. Prepare to be amazed as we explore unexpected hues and shapes. Alex Janwer, a First Nation artist from Canada, brings vibrant and abstract colors through our canvas, infusing a sense of culture and wonder. Next is Alexander Archipenko, a Ukrainian-American avant-garde artist. Introduces us to surreal shapes and chaotic compositions. Alfred Manessier, a non-figurative French painter and designer, takes us on a journey of bold colors and intricate circles. Our adventure continues with Alfred Rethel, a German history painter. Discover how his name adds depth and vibrancy to our prompts. Asa Johnson, a Swedish painter and etching artist, brings hints of her original style, wrapped in vivid colors and a touch of rain. Antonino Raphael Maffei, an Italian sculptor and painter, infuses our creations with a unique blend of red and orange. As we continue exploring, you'll witness the incredible diversity of styles and visions that artists' name can bring to life. Whether you are an art enthusiast, a creator, or a simply curious person, this journey promises to inspire and ignite your imagination. If you're captivated by the world of art and technology, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more mesmerizing journeys.